Part 11. We are going to continue with the area of a parallelogram and a rhombus. You will find this on page 260 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at example 21. The figure shows a parallelogram ABCD, where CD is 25 and BC is 24. If the area of the parallelogram is 500 square meter, find the length of AE. So now I'm giving you the area and you must find a specific distance. Do exactly the same as in the previous ones. First write down the formula. Then just in the place of the area you substitute 500. And in the place of the base you substitute 25. And now you just solve the equation. So to get that 25 away on that side, you divide this side by 25 and you divide this side by 25. So this will cancel and you're sitting with 500 divided 25. The value of AE will be 20 meters. Okay, I want you to stop the video and try now 21. And as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 21. So if I look at this one, I'm reading. A figure shows a rhombus. Okay, where the perpendicular height, so this will be the height, between its 9. If the area of the rhombus, so this will be the area. Find the length of the side. Start with the formula. The area of a rhombus is going to be base times height. So basically, I have the area and I fill it in 94.5. And if I look, I don't have the base, but I have the height. What will be the height? The height will be 9. And now actually, I'm just going to put in the step. That's 9b. So I just divide by 9 and I just divide by 9. I divide by 9 both sides. So I will get that the value of b will be 10.5. And what did I say? What is the length of a side? So the length, we can end. The length of a side is 10.5. And this was in centimeters. Okay. Now we're going to look at the final one. So in this case, I'm just saying the figure shows a parallelogram. Well, where NM is 9 and KN is 6. Okay, so they give me two distance. They give me this is 6 and this is 9. MQ is perpendicular to KN and KP is perpendicular. Okay, so they give me a perpendicular there and they give me a perpendicular there. This one is 8 and they ask you to calculate this one. Okay, now you can do it in 2 steps or you can do it in 1 step. Now if I'm going to do this one, I'll show you in 2 steps. But first, you just have to work out the area of the parallelogram. Now you need a height and you need a base to work out the area. So 6 times 8, so that's going to be 48 and that's going to be the area. So I think I'm going to do this one showing you. So the area, now let's just take another color. Red is good. So the area is going to be base times height. So work with this to the area out. I'm going to mark it in red. Can you see? So this is going to be 6 times 8, which is going to be 48 meters square. And now you redo it again, but now you're going to focus on, let me take another color. You're going to focus on this too. So you have again a base and you're looking for that height. So you do exactly the same. You say area is base times height, and the area will be 48. And the base will be 9 and you are looking for the height. Can you see? And now you're just going to say 48 divide 9. That's a divide. And that will give you the height. And if you press on your calculator 48 divide 9, you will get that 5 1/3 meter. Okay, so if you struggle to do it in two, do it in separate sums, then it will be easier. I want you to try now 22. So stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Let's just make space. Okay, let's start. So in this one, we're going to say it's try now 22. Okay. A figure shows a parallelogram ABCD where BC is 10. Okay. Where is BC? BC is 10. And okay, look at this one. AE is 8 and AF is 8. So this can be my base, and then if this is my base, then this will be my height. But don't forget, if this is my base, then this one will be my height. And that's why I work with two different. So they want to find DC. So if I want to do this, I'm going to say first, the area of a parallelogram equals base times height. So if I work with the two that you have this height and this base. So first work with that two. So just say, what is the base? The base is 10, and this one is 11.2. And if I multiply it, it's 112, and that's centimeters squared. Now you have the area of the parallelogram. So we're going to use that formula again. And now again we're going to say base times height. But you have the area, so you can fill it in this case. So you're just going to say 112. Okay, now you're looking for the base. And you can say DC. And the height will be 8. And now, remember, you have 112. I'm just going to put in this step. So to get DC alone, you divide by 8 and you divide by 8. And the value of DC, let's just write it 9. So you will just press 112, divide by 8, and that will give you on the dot 14 centimeter. And now you can again end with a sentence by saying the length of DC is 14 centimeter. So basically, you use the area of a parallelogram, that formula, you are using it 2 times.